Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add a moving background in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut mobile application. And here I'm going to show you two methods we can try to add a moving background to our video. The first method, we can try to use the Capcut effects. We can go to the effect menu right here and then go to the video effect. And in this video effect, we need to select the hallucination category, this one, and here we'll be able to add effect to our video to create the moving background. You can select axis rotation, or maybe the chroma diffusion, or distorted whirl, and it's up to you. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one, distorted whirl. And if you want to adjust the effect, you can go to the adjust option, and here you can adjust the color and the intensity, the glow, twist, and also the speed. Okay, and once you're done adjusting the effect, you can click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Okay, and the second method I'm going to show you is applying animation. Wait, I'm going to delete this effect, and I'm going to duplicate this video. You can tap on the video and go to the duplicate option. Okay, right here, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to tap on overlay. Okay, then I'm going to make it align with my first video. Then we can tap on our second video and remove the background of it. You can go to the remove background and you can select custom removal if you are a free user. And I'm just going to use auto removal to make the process faster. Okay, now the background has been removed and I'm going to apply animation to my first video. I'm gonna tap on the first video and go to the animation, and you can select combo. Then you can choose the animation that you like to create a moving background for your video. Okay, and for example guys, I'm just going to select maybe this one, right? And once you're done selecting the animation, you can click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add a moving background in Capcut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!